brown bird, what do you see? I see a red bird, look at me. Red bird, what do you see? I see a owl duck, look at me. Owl duck, what do you see? I see a blue horse, look at me. Blue horse, what do you see? I see a green frog, look at me. Green frog, what do you see? I see a purple cat, look at me. Purple cat, what do you see? I see a white dog, look at me. White dog, what do you see? I see a black sheep, look at me. Black sheep, what do you see? I see a goldfish, look at me. Goldfish, what do you see? I see a teacher, look at me. Teacher, what do you see? I see a children, look at me. Children, what do you see? I see animals, look at me. Animals, what do you see? Okay, the end.
Ay, ang galing naman. Nag-read siya kay Mommy at kay Daddy. Good job.
Good job. Brown bird,
Inulit.
what do you see?
Okay. Good job. O, iba naman.
Read naman tayo. Ano pa yung gusto mo read?
I read the Lorax.
The Lorax?
The Lorax.
The Lorax naman?
Yes.
Oh my goodness.
I like to read that.
Oh, that's
The
not
Lorax naman.
That's the dinosaur.
Okay. The Lorax.